Hey Galaxy girls! Number one, I'm showing you how to do this flawless install, okay, with this flawless hairline with my new lace tint foams, and I'm giving you exclusive weight loss tips, so stay tuned for both. What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor, as you already know. Okay, thank you so much, Nadula. Okay, Nadula sent us this long straight lace front unit. Y'all know I love me a bust down middle part. Okay, and that's what we're doing today on our girl Junie. Now, when it comes to purchasing a straight wig, density matters, okay? You don't want to be able to see through the wig, see the tracks, and you don't want the ends to be thin and, scraggly. So thank goodness Nadula's wigs are nice and full and dense. Every time they send me a wig, I'm impressed and I'm like, oh Lord, if I wore wigs again, I know exactly what company, besides Galaxy Girl, I will be going to. Another thing that I like about Nadula wigs is that every time they send me packages, the hairline already comes kind of like pre-customized. It's not all the way customized. I still have to do some bleaching and some plucking, but the hairline honestly does not need that much plucking. Sometimes I get wigs where the hairline is super duper thick and it's just like, my hand about to start cramping doing all this plucking. But with this company, you don't have to do that much plucking, so it's really easy to get it right, get it together. Now, make sure you guys pay attention to this lace, okay? When you order this wig in the mail, the lace is gonna come like a light brown-ish type of color, but if you need it to match your skin tone, you already know I got you. So I'm using my lace tint foam in this video so y'all can see exactly how it works. It's super easy, and when I start to do that process, then I'm gonna explain it for you guys. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about weight loss strategies. Now, when it comes to me, right, I was skinny basically my whole life to where it was like one of my biggest insecurities. And I used to look for every single technique to gain weight. I looked into a pediment, even though I never really tried that one because I was kind of scared to take it. It was expensive. So I used to drink whey protein powder and that used to bulk me up. And when it came to maybe around 25 years old, I realized that all this weight that I was trying to put on, it was going in the weirdest places, like my love handles and my back. And I'm like, wait. I just wanted to get thick. I don't want to get chunky. So at first, I'm spending years trying to figure out how to gain weight. Now I'm like, bitch, now you gotta shed some of this off. So in this video, I'm giving you guys a few tips on how I can lose weight really easy actually, and keep it off. All right, so number one, first and foremost, is staying active, okay? So around my house, there is like this nature trail and it's about like 3 miles long and it's elevated. So basically, I walk the nature trail. I get a workout on my full body, especially my legs, my abs when I'm, going up that elevation, and it really gives me a good workout. Now, I'm not the gym type of girl. I don't like overworking myself, and I don't like sweating and wait, that's a lie. But I just don't like the gym, I don't think. But one thing I realized is I appreciate being outside. I appreciate, getting an intense workout, but not like super tiring where I'm scared to go back. So one important thing I believe is figuring out what you like the best. Do you like the gym or do you like working out outside? Do you like lifting weights or do you only like walking? That's very important. All right, so we finished tip number 1, but let's get into this hairline because I'm about to go ahead and tint this lace. Now, there's 2 ways you can tint the lace with our Galaxy Girl lace tint foams. You can do it before you install the wig, where you apply the foam on the hairline and you dry it and you stain it, and then you do the install. Or, see, the beauty of this product is you can actually do it after you've already installed the lace. So now that my wig is glued down and my baby hairs are down, I hit it with the blow dryer so it's not so wet. And I quickly apply the foam, wrap it with the black wrap, and sit my model under the dryer for about 10 minutes. Now, I know some of y'all are like, wait. Why would I put a bunch of foam on my lace right when I glued it down? Now, I understand where you're coming from because, we try not to get the lace wet at all. But in actuality, the foam is so light that if you apply it nice and fast, cover it and sit under the dryer, it won't lift the lace at all. All right, so Junie's lace is nice and melted, and if you guys want to try the lace tint foam at home on yourself or on your clients, then we have 3 shades on GalaxyGirlHair.com. We have the light brown, medium brown, and the dark brown. Now, just a tip, if you're wondering what shade you should get, I highly recommend you get a shade lighter than what you think you are. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get back to the topic that we were talking about in the beginning, how to lose weight and or maintain it. Now, number 1, I mentioned working out and staying active, okay, at least once a day. Number 2 is dieting, of course, dieting, right? But let's make it fun. So when I go on a diet, right, it's not like a big, oh my God, I'm going on a diet. I can't experience what I love to eat. I'm going to suffer. Like, I don't even perceive diets in that way at all. In order to have a fun diet and a diet that you can actually stick to, you have to recreate foods that you love to eat, but in a vegetarian or vegan way. So, for example, instead of doing a regular beef burger, you can do an Impossible Burger or a Beyond Meat burger. Now, those brands are just as good and give you the same type of satisfaction. Or if you love tacos, then instead of doing meat and sour cream and cheese and all this, fatty stuff, then you can saute some mushrooms with some onions and garlic and, season it up really good. Throw it in the taco with some lettuce, guacamole, tomatoes, and vegan sour cream. Y'all, amazing. Or, you can even start with loaded salads. Like, as long as you're not filling up on a bunch of bread, pasta, dairy, and sugar, you should really be fine. Another thing that I do is I have like a mental arsenal of all the vegan and vegetarian restaurants around my house. So just in case I don't want to cook at all and I'm feeling lazy and I know I can cheat at any moment, I just go to one of those restaurants, maybe Chipotle or Moe's or any other, vegan restaurant, and have a guilt-free meal. And if you really want to accelerate your progress and your weight loss, then you can also try intermittent fasting, okay? Where you don't eat any solids all day, just maybe fruit juices, teas and things like that, water, coconut water, and you start eating at maybe like 6 p.m. with a big but healthy meal. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed those tips and I hope they work for you guys at home. So this is the final result and we killed it. Okay, like we always do. Once again, thank you so much, Nadula, for sponsoring this video with this straight lace front unit. If you guys want this exact wig, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. And don't forget to get your products from GalaxyGirlHair.com so your wig can be laid.